I'm going to show you how to make beef keema, which is an absolute banger of a slow cooker mince curry that is ideal for a midweeker. The first thing to do is your veg prep. We're going to peel up some carrot and onions and chop these pretty small so you don't have huge bits inside your keema. You can use other veggies that you've got in the fridge if you want, but these are the ones I recommend as a minimum. If you are cooking peppers in it, make sure to cook them and then add them at the end. Don't put them in the slow cooker at the beginning because they just turn to mush. So cook these for about 5 minutes until they start to soften, and then once it's almost ready, you're going to add in your garlic cloves, your curry powder, some chili powder, a little bit of garam masala, and you're just going to fry that for a further 30 seconds. For the curry powder, you can use any generic supermarket kind. I'm actually using a South African one called Keema that I ground and blended myself. I actually made this in a recent recipe video, Keema lentil soup, and you can check that out and see how to use it. Once you've tipped those veggies into the slow cooker, add the mince to the same pan, increase the heat a bit, and just cook that until it's browned, and then add that to the slow cooker as well. We're going to add a teaspoon of salt along with about 15 grams or a tablespoon of corn flour mixed in some water, tomato puree, passata, and then that's it. You just need to mix that through. Pop the lid on it. I think 4 hours on low is ideal. You could cook it for like 2 hours on high if you want, but I prefer low to just allow the mince to absorb more of that flavour. Then after 4 hours, just remove the lid and add in those peas. Now, as you can see, I'm using them straight from the freezer. You could add other veg if you want. You could put corn in. Again, frozen corn would work absolutely fine. Totally up to you, but we're just popping them in and allow them to come up to temperature.
Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe.
When it comes to serving, it goes with all the usual curry suspects, so garnish with coriander, serve it with rice, get some poppadoms in there as well. And as always, thanks for watching this video. If you'd like the full recipe and a load of other high protein recipes, you can get them in my app, and there's a link to download it in the description below. See ya!